Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to keep your lashes on 24/7, how to apply them for glamorous lashes, for bigger eyes and brighter eyes. So stay tuned. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to apply your strip lashes. I'm so excited to last all day long. So that's all you need to know, that to last your lashes all day long, you don't have to worry about the inside of your eye is lifting up or the outer side lifting up. I'm going to show you how I apply my lashes, and I hope that it works for you and the proper way, so, and not too much glue. Okay, so we're gonna get in the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment and tag me in your videos, and I'll see you guys. Let's get into it. Rule number one, you definitely gonna need some mascara, and I use my mascara by e.l.f. So if you're running out a little low too on your mascara, just use some eye drops and it works. 2, 3. Okay, wipe that off, and I'm just going to apply that, and ta-da. So this, the first thing is to make sure you apply some mascara on your lashes. Because if you don't, you have a hard time for your lashes to stay in place. Trust and believe. So I'm just applying my my mascara, and I'm just going to apply top to bottom. This also helps for the lashes to stick as well. A lot of people don't know that. Well, some people probably do, but you're just going to apply your mascara because that helps a lot. Alright, now it's time for the lashes. So these are my favorite lashes by I Envy, the Royal Silk. So these look very natural on your eyes. This is one of my favorites. It's very light. It's silkier and lighter fiber, super natural, clear band, less uniformed curls. So this is how it looks up close. I think they released this line that was last year or the year before. So this is like one of my favorite brands of their lashes because it looks so natural. So I'm going to go ahead and open the lash, and that's how they look. So let me see. I'm going to start on my right side. I don't know why I had to start on my right. I guess because I'm right-handed. Okay, so I'm going to kind of bend it a little bit so I can have that curve to it while I apply it. But you guys see how like wide it is? So I might just go ahead and cut some of the excess off. Oops. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to cut some of the excess off. I think towards the end. So I'm going to cut some off here because I want it to look natural as possible. Okay, see, that looks better. And I'm going to use my favorite lash glue, the 3D adhesive. This is one of the best glues that don't give me eye problems. I'm going to go ahead and apply some here on the rim of the lash. And this, I'm going to show you guys my favorite part. I also apply some here on top so it can stay in place. So throughout my day, if I'm in heat, it still don't come off. So I'm going to apply some here. This is above my lash. And then everybody say, how you keep your, oops, I got some in my hair. Everybody asks me, how do I keep it on all day long? And I just tell them, I just apply some on top of my lashes, above my lash line. And that's how I have my lashes to stay on the whole entire day. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit. So I'm just letting it dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash while it's still tacky. Okay, and I apply it real close to the lash line. And don't worry, the white residue, which is clear, is going to go away. And just take your time applying. Okay, there we go. And that's it. You can't even tell I have on lashes. Let's see, it done dried. So a lot of people worry, it's gonna dry, it's gonna dry. Yes, it's gonna dry. And look how natural it looks. Look from the side. That's why I love this brand, because it looks so natural. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit more mascara in the front of my eye, where my lashes, my real lashes are out. So I'm gonna have these to blend. So, can you guys tell the difference? Lash on, lash off. Can you tell the difference? And I'm going to go ahead and apply the other side. I'm going to do it again for you guys who want to know again. And I do love these lashes, the Royal Silk. If you have not purchased these, you need to go purchase. And the style name is called Princess by I Envy. You can go on ivyusa.com and you will find the lashes there. Or you can go to your local beauty supply store and find this brand at your local beauty supply store. So I am happy, and look at this. It's flawless. Flawless. All right, let's do the other side. Okay, so once again, this is the lash, and it's a little bit more wide. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the excess off. I'm a little bit more, trying to make it more even. Okay, so it's even like the other side. And I'm going to take my glue, and I'm going to apply it above my lash line. And I'm going to apply it here around the rim. Now I'm going to let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash. I'm going to apply it right there above the line, your lash line. And that's how your lashes look, very natural. And I have to use my hands because with tweezers, sometimes I kind of lose grip with my hand, like I can't feel it, so I have to use my fingers to apply my lashes on. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply a little bit more mascara. And there you have it. You have your lashes. Now, time for the finished look. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy my content. I hope that me putting on my lashes, and they won't move. Look how I look. No movement. It will stay on all day. You don't have to worry about it coming off. And this is the, well, it didn't wipe off, but this is the best lash glue, the 3D adhesive, and it's only $3.99. Very affordable. It don't irritate your eyes. It don't make your eyes red or irritation. That's the best glue I have ever had. It come in clear and black, and it's only $3.99. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that button and get notification. And you guys, come on, let's get up to 11,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And that's it, beauties. That's all you have to do. Very simple step. Very easy eye beauty guide, eyelash application, and add your little makeup and call it a day. 24/7 lasting hold. You don't have to worry about your lashes lifting up in the inner corner or outer corner. Won't be looking crazy if you're out somewhere with your friends or your boyfriend. So I hope you guys enjoyed my content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.